welcome to Marketing Mondays, and in today's video we're going to be chatting about upskilling in the marketing industry. What I mean by upskilling is that you want to be continuously learning, continuously advancing your skills, learning new things, trying out new things, I think the keyword is learning new things. There are a couple of reasons why you would want to upskill and match up with the changing industry. One of the most important reasons being that the marketing industry is such a huge industry and it is continuously changing. Because of that, you will find that things that we knew back then or 5 years ago about marketing have completely changed or no longer exist. Some of the things that we learned in college or in university and are still learning in terms of our textbooks, definitions in our textbooks, tools that are shared in our textbooks, no longer exist. That is why you have to upskill to keep up with the ever-changing industry. There are a couple of apps that you can use in order to upskill. I will share 5 of my favorite apps. You will receive a certificate after studying whatever you're going to be studying from the million available courses in those apps that I'm going to share or in those websites that I'm going to share with you now. So Digital Garage offers a lot of courses when it comes to marketing, whether it's copywriting, ads, Google Ads, content management, and all the other courses that you can check out from their website. And after you learn a course with them, you get a certificate that you can use when you're applying for jobs, that you can use to show that you are accredited in order to provide this service and you have learned about this service. The second app is the Facebook. I haven't really done a lot of courses on Facebook, but Facebook has its own digital courses lab where you can learn a lot of courses in terms of Facebook ads, their content management and all of that. And I know that you do pay for this one, so that's why I haven't done it, because I'm like, you do have to pay for this one. But their certificate is highly recognized, especially in marketing agencies. And I think you study, they give you all the studying tools once you have paid, and then once you've studied, you take this exam that is very important, and it will determine whether you get the certificate or not. My third favorite one is the Hubspot Academy. If you check out their website, you'll see the millions or the thousands of courses that they offer on their website. The fourth one that I have should be Udemy. Udemy is one of the best ones and one of the most well-known studying or upskilling website that is available online for anyone. It is unfortunately not free. I'm not sure if they do have any free courses, but their courses are very affordable and you can study anything that is related to marketing and other industries on Udemy. It's spelled Udemy. Number 5 on my list of websites and apps to upskill is LinkedIn Learning. With LinkedIn Learning, they have a variety of courses related to any industry that is out there. So you can go from learning about Microsoft Word to learning about sales to learning about copywriting and marketing. So I think all you need to do is have a LinkedIn account. They do have a couple of free courses, but it is hard to find those. If you have a premium account with LinkedIn, you can get all these courses that you can learn and choose whatever you want to learn. And the cool thing is that once you have learned about something and you write the exams and you get the certificate, it is automatically linked to your LinkedIn account. So if anyone visits your LinkedIn account, they can view the different courses that you've done and your certificate. Basically, if you're looking for a job, recruiters might see all those certificates and just be happy about your profile and the fact that you are upskilling. If you're not into any of the websites that I've shared with you or the apps that I've shared with you, there is one app that is perfect in terms of learning anything. And most people have guaranteed that they have learned so much from this app. You can use this one to upskill and learn things that they're not teaching you at school. So YouTube is one of the best places where you can learn about anything from cooking to digital marketing to sales to coding to anything that you want to do. You can learn it all on YouTube. I know a lot of people I've learned a lot of things from YouTube. Learned about marketing, learned about sales, and learned basically how to dress for work. So if you want to try YouTube out, Google whatever you need to, or search for whatever you need to search for on YouTube, and 1,000 videos will pop up. That is all I have for you today. Thank you guys for tuning into this video. As I promised, these videos will be very short. Just Marketing Mondays. I know we all have to go back to work, so it's just and I'm so glad that I managed to make this video so short. I am grateful. Thank you guys for all the comments that you have been leaving on my videos. Thank you guys for the support that I've been getting on Instagram, and I am just so grateful for you guys. Like any other video, please do subscribe, share, like, comment, and just take down notes and let me know how it goes for you. I love you all so much. See you next week Monday on our Marketing Mondays.
Ice in my veins, I've been driving this train. Years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game and I changed it to play.